Your roof does more than protect your home. It plays a major role in how your property looks and feels. In Shelby Township, where homeowners take pride in well-kept neighborhoods and visually appealing homes, investing in quality roofing is one of the smartest ways to boost both curb appeal and style. Whether you're upgrading an outdated roof or building a new home, the right roofing solution can transform your property's appearance, increase its market value, and make a lasting impression on neighbors and visitors alike. Here's why choosing quality roofing in Shelby Twp isn't just about function. It's about fashion, first impressions, and timeless beauty. A visually striking first impression. Your roof accounts for nearly 40% of your home's visible exterior. That means it's one of the first things people notice when they pass by or pull into your driveway. A worn, stained, or curling roof doesn't just look bad, it can make your entire home seem neglected, regardless of how beautiful the rest of your exterior might be. On the other hand, a new roof with clean lines, rich colors, and stylish textures elevates your home's profile instantly. It signals care, quality, and pride in ownership, characteristics that are deeply appreciated in the Shelby Twp community. Endless style options to match your home. Today's roofing materials go far beyond basic asphalt. Quality roofing companies in Shelby Twp offer a wide variety of styles, materials, and color palettes to suit every architectural taste, including architectural and dimensional shingles for added depth and luxury, metal roofing with sleek, modern lines and bold color options, clay and concrete tiles for a Mediterranean or southwestern look, designer shingles that mimic the appearance of slate or cedar shakes. These options allow you to perfectly match, or tastefully contrast, your roof with your siding, windows, brick, or landscaping. Whether your home is colonial, ranch style, modern, or craftsman, there's a roofing solution that can enhance your aesthetic vision. Color coordination and design impact. Color plays a powerful role in curb appeal. The right roof color can tie your entire exterior design together, making your home feel more cohesive and polished. Quality roofing installers help you choose colors that complement your home's palette and accentuate architectural details. For example, dark gray or black roofs pair beautifully with white trim for a classic, bold look. Earth-toned shingles blend seamlessly with natural stone and rustic siding. Cool hues like slate blue or weathered wood add charm and modern character. Not only does this improve style, it can also differentiate your home in a crowded real estate market. Improved home value and buyer appeal. A beautiful roof doesn't just please the eye, it adds real value. According to real estate experts, a new roof can yield a return on investment of up to 60 to 70% or more, depending on the material and market. In Shelby Twp, where homebuyers are often looking for turnkey properties, a stylish and recently installed roof can be a powerful selling point. Buyers are more likely to choose a home that looks well maintained from the outside. When they see a fresh, high-quality roof, it signals fewer future expenses and reassures them that the property has been cared for. Long-term style meets durability. Style means nothing if your roof doesn't last. That's why quality roofing in Shelby Twp focuses on aesthetic excellence and structural performance. Premium shingles, expert installation, and proper ventilation not only look great, they ensure your roof resists Michigan's harsh winters, heavy rains, and summer heat. By choosing a roofing company that combines style with durability, you get the best of both worlds: timeless design and long-term protection. Final thoughts. Curb appeal starts at the top-end Shelby Twp, where homes reflect pride of ownership and community character. Investing in quality roofing is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. It adds beauty, value, and distinction, making your home stand out for all the right reasons. Whether you're refreshing your exterior or starting from scratch, choose a roofing solution that enhances your home's style and leaves a lasting impression.